Hi everyone. Today we will be learning how to tokenize a given text into a word. For that, we will be understanding how to use a package called as NLTK. In the process of learning your natural language processing, NLTK package plays a very vital role in doing all these tokenization topics. Okay, let's start by doing so. Let's open our IDE. So I am generally using Python IDLE, which is a basic Python IDE which will be provided by the Python itself. So I'm just starting my new program. So for this, what we should do is we should import NLTK. So to do this, our NLTK should be already get installed in our system. Okay, so for that you can directly install within your IDLE, or else we can use your command prompt. Okay, for suppose if you want to use command prompt, the command prompt, if you are using Windows, we will be using Python -m pip install NLTK. So this is the command that we should give, especially when you want to install any package using your Windows. Okay, so if you are using any IDE like Jupyter or Colab, just pip install NLTK is enough. Okay, so that's the reason I'm just giving it as comment so that you can just refer whenever you want to execute this. If you want to install the same using your Ubuntu, you can directly go to your terminal and you can just install pip install NLTK, such that pip was already installed. Pip means Python. The basic Python was already available in your system. Keeping in that mind, Python will identify NLTK to be recommended by your pip from your Python packages. So coming back to this, I want to start with your program called as program to tokenize the text to word using NLTK package. Okay, so for this, make sure, as I informed you, you should complete our installation of your NLTK, and after that make sure we should import your NLTK package. So coming back to your NLTK package, so from your NLTK we should import a very important module called as word tokenize. So for that we should use from nltk.tokenize. Tokenize is a subsidiary package where it will hold all the tokenization capability methods such that we can use them in future. Okay, so for this, as we want to do it as tokenizing as word, we are going to import something called as word_tokenize. So this will really help us, especially to tokenize the given text into word. Next, coming to now we should provide a sample text. So let be my text be like this: hello everyone. So I'm going to give a couple of sentences in one double quotes, being it's a collection of words, and also it's like a complete string. Welcome to the class of natural language processing. Now I'm giving this text, and simply I want to pass this as argument to your method what we have already imported. So this is the method that we have already imported, that is your word tokenize. So for that I want to pass this as an argument. Okay, so tokenize as text. So I'm passing this variable which was already we have assigned with. Okay, let me save this program. Okay, let me save this in my desktop such that so I will be giving word tokenize. So there is no need to give .py as itself. The IDLE will recommend every program. The name itself will be saved as type as Python. Okay. Now simply in your IDLE you can just go to your run command and you can just click on this, or else we can use F5 function key. So it will redirect to your entire IDLE where our terminal, it will be looking like a output console where IDLE will be working like, and it will be redirecting to us to provide the output. So it is just, yes, the entire sentence, the entire text what we have given was tokenized like this. Hello was tokenized, everyone has been tokenized, even the punctuation mark which is called as period symbol has been also been tokenized. Welcome to the class of natural language processing, and also again the full stop symbol, that is your period symbol. If you observe carefully here, what happened is it has been taken the space as the delimiter between every word. So this is how the word tokenize will be helping us. Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.